Hey friends, if you wish to easily install a prolific PL2303 driver on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So simply search for it in any browser. It's easy. Open any browser, search for it and hit enter. You'll find this option for the driver download for prolific technology. Click on this and then you can scroll down, and once you find the driver it can be downloaded. Okay, so we can click on this one, the driver installer setup program package for Windows 11. Okay, now save it. Don't open it, just save it. And once it is saved, it will need a few seconds for that. Then we will extract this file. Okay, now that it's saved, right click on it and then select extract all. Click on extract, then double click on it and click on this one, the application one. Okay, this is how you can install the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, simply subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.